My name's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I propose to each of my bridesmaids and what I put inside the bridesmaid proposal boxes. Not only do I have the bridesmaid proposal boxes, I also have a special gift basket, and that is for our family of honor, and then we have our ring bears and our flower girls, and those are all in this video. I wanted to film this not only for my channel, but also to document the memories because it's so fun to look back on all these wedding videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to join my friend group, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's start with the proposal boxes. So I got each of these boxes from Michael's. I think they're about maybe $1.50, $2 each. And then I got this gift tissue from Michael's as well in bulk. It ended up being cheaper than the dollar store. And then at the dollar store, I found this shredded paper to go inside the box as well. I have these little makeup bags for each of the girls with their initials on them. Those are also from Michael's. And then I got these little perfumes, some lip gloss, some bath soaps, and some hand lotion that matches. And then I also found these really cute pocket mirrors for the day of the wedding that I thought that'd be really cute. It says, "Put on your party dress." So I'm gonna put each of these inside the pouch. I found these cute notebooks from Macy's, and they're actually Betsy Johnson. I got a pretty good deal on these. And then I wanted to put each of the items in so that it would fit the best way possible and get the most use out of this box. So then I'm gonna put the tissue paper on top. And then I'm gonna put the shredded paper over that. I got these really cute wine glasses with little gems on them. That's kind of my theme, is like the gems and the diamonds. I got each of the girls a special pair of socks to kind of represent them, what they do, and their personality. My friend Georgie is a nurse, a NICU nurse, so I just had to get that for her, and then I rolled it up and put it inside the wine glass. Next, I made on my Cricut machine these tags that say, "Will you help me tie the knot to have and to hold your hair back?" And I got these little scrunchies from Lululemon. I found these crystal, almost like geode rings, and I got these from Michael's as well, and they fit perfectly with my theme. And then I got these small boxes and ribbon and tied them up really cute and put them inside the box. And then I used to be a LuLaRoe consultant, so I had previously saved some of these leggings because I just thought they were so cute. They fit with my theme perfectly, so I kind of just had to roll those up and see how those would fit inside the box too. Then I just found some faux florals at Michael's and just cut little tiny pieces off to put inside each of the girls' box. And then for the card, I made these with my Cricut machine, and it's a little bridesmaid with the different dresses. It says, "I don't have a date set and I'm not sure where, but I do know for sure that you better be there. Will you be my bridesmaid?" Then I just put the lid on, and I had some other paper ribbon and I tied that around. I wanted to add a little touch of eucalyptus to the top, some greenery, so I decided to cut off some of my eucalyptus that I had in my house and then tie that onto the front. And then I took a gold pen and wrote their name on each of the front of their boxes. My sister will be my maid of honor, so I just wanted to show a few things of hers. So these are some little ladybugs because that kind of represents her, because that was her nursery theme when she was little, and I just think it's so adorable. And then hers says the same thing, but it just says, "Will you be my maid of honor?" Then I made each of my friends a knot blanket. I'm a very crafty person, so I just like to keep busy, and so making these blankets was really fun for me. I put the blanket inside, and then I have these candles, and I took all the paper off, and it says "Hello Beautiful" on one side, and on the other side there is a little photo, and it's like a photo of her and I when we were little. Then I have some bath salts that smell so good. Then a bath loofah, some candy for her because it was so cute to go with the ladybug theme, and some face masks. The first people who I asked was my two sisters and my fiance's sister. I asked Abby to be my maid of honor, Elena to be my bridesmaid, and Brianna, my little sister, to be my junior bridesmaid, and their reaction honestly was just so cute.
So pretty.
It is very smart idea.
And the one. Aww. What is this? Oh my gosh. You need to rip all this off. And not even. What's this?
Open it.
Oh, okay. Okay. There. Will you be my junior's bridesmaid? Oh. I will. Yes, I will.
Do you love it?
I see the ring pop already. This is so cute. I love this. Thank you so much. What's it say?
You're welcome.
It says you and me. If the you.
The ribbon is a nice touch.
I've never seen this.
Yeah. Next is my friend Georgie, who was in town when we went wedding dress shopping. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link part 1 up here.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Yes, of course. Cute. Like, where do I start? Some new leggings?
Well, they wouldn't be wrong.
Yay! Cute. I wanted to do something special for my mom and my grandma, so I made them a box as well with some of the goodies inside too, and their reaction was really sweet.
Yeah, I'm really gonna cry. Is this yours? Oh my goodness, the same stuff. This is so sweet.
Oh, those are
so
pretty.
cute. Oh, cute.
Honey.
We also then went to our friend's place. I asked Lexi to be my bridesmaid and Nick asked Aubrey to be his best man. So I'll put that clip in here.
What's a wedding thing we can say? I do.
Yeah.
That's a wedding thing.
I know, but then your face is gonna go like this. I do.
Oh, you mean while taking a picture?
Yeah.
Ring.
Ring. That's a good one. Say diamond ring.
Diamond ring.
See, ring makes you smile. Yeah, for sure.
And then I asked 2 of my cousins to be my bridesmaids, so I'll go ahead and put that clip in here too.
You ready? Okay. Yes.
Good.
I do.
I'm glad.
Is there something under here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I want to make sure
Before you like dig underneath.
I know. But I like picked it up and I was like, okay, there's something.
Yeah, there's more. Next, I have this really special gift bag for our family of honor. I wanted to honor this whole family in a really special way. There's the mom and dad, Daniel and Ashley, and then their 4 kids. I have some peach rings, kind of thought that was cute, bath bombs, the bath flower petals. I also got a little outfit for each of them. For the girls, I got little ballerina tutu pajamas, and so that was just kind of fun and cute.
I didn't even know we made stuff like.
And then I also made her a blanket as well. Next, I asked one of my really good friends, Chloe, from the ballet company we worked with. We bonded a lot over the 2 years that we lived together, so I just had to ask her to be a bridesmaid.
So cute. It says Chloe. I don't have a date set and I'm not sure where, but I do know for sure that you better be there. Will you be my bridesmaid? Of course.
Next, I have my little sister, Daniela, and she will be the lead flower girl. We have a lot of family, so her reaction was so cute and so precious.
Will you be our flower girl? I will, Courtney.
Ooh, they're diamonds. They're pajamas. Pajama bottom. Oh, how cute.
And of course, whoa. It's not just
Something's
the pants.
wrapped in there.
There's something in the bag.
They might be a little big, but I figured you could just roll them up and wear a belt or something.
Oh yeah, the little bath salt. Ooh, that one smells good.
Oh, that's so cute.
That is so cute.
matches with everything. Will you help me tie the knot? Have an and to hold your hair back. I like the blue.
It matches your blanket.
Want to turn around and show me?
I have no idea what this is, but they're really pretty.
They're little soaps, so you put them in your bath, the flowers. And then I asked my 2 little flower girls, and I'll put that clip in here too. What is it? Do you know what that is?
Oh.
They go in your bath. My 2 little brothers will be our ring bearers, and I just can't wait to see them in their little outfits. 2 bears, 2 sunglasses, and a ring pop, and I said, will you be our ring bear? I made them each a tie knot blanket as well with little bears on it. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to join my friend group. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and being a part of today's video. I hope to see you in another video real soon. Thanks, bye!